I used to absolutely wince every single time a healer or a mentor would give me the feedback that what I needed was more self-love. I didn't get it. I didn't understand what it meant. I was coming to it from a space of intellect and practicality and wanting to make a to-do list around it. And what I realized along the way, and from working with clients, that self-love is actually a good old dose of self-nourishment, which means welcoming your taboo parts, these more shadowy, darker bits of yourself that are feeling a little less lovable, into the process of healing. And your process with healing is absolutely a journey. You cannot have the light, so the sunshine, the rainbows, and the kittens without the dark. So strive for authentic vibes, not good vibes.